So over here, you can see that I have this particular image opened up. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then work around with another image at the same time. So for that, I'm going to go around onto File and open up another file right here, just like this. And let's say I'm going to go around and open up this other file right here. And I'm going to go around over here and open up other file over here, just like this as well. So you can see that I have 3 tabs right here, and I have them open at the same time. I can go around and click and drag out the tabs right here on left and right, right here, just like this. And what I can also do is, let's say, for example, work around with the layer right here, just like this. And I can go around over here and then go around with circles right here, just like this. And then choose around, let's say, for example, a shape right here by making it a layer. So I'm just going to go around over here and let's say, for example, duplicate out this layer right here. And you can see that I got this layer right here. I can go ahead and press Ctrl C to copy this layer and paste it out over here on this particular tab, and on this particular tab over here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around in multiple tabs inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.